Close your eyes. It won't take long. Close your eyes. Okay. Close your eyes. Huh? Ice cream? Yes, after that, we'll buy you ice cream, I promise. Okay? After haircut.
After haircut, ice cream, okay?
Tapos haircut, tapos ice cream. Okay? Okay?
Kaya mo siya sa car.
And then car.
Wow.
Oh, not yet finished. Not yet finished, baby. One more, one more. Look at the mirror. Look at the mirror.
Close your eyes.
Oh, close your eyes. 2 eyes. Good job.
Yay!